Karnataka government has rolled out Kartavya, an AI-powered and geofencing-based attendance system to improve transparency, accountability and efficiency in government offices. The move came after Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar directed officials to ensure full attendance during office hours and respond quickly to public grievances. Officials said the new system was introduced to plug gaps in the earlier biometric attendance mechanism, where employees could mark attendance and leave the workplace. Kartavya uses AI-based facial recognition, geofencing, and location tracking to verify physical presence at work. The platform was developed entirely within the government ecosystem by the Department of Personal and Administrative Reforms, e-Governance, and the Karnataka AI Cell. The government said registrations on the platform increased from 2.46 lakh to 3.01 lakh employees within a week, with over 55,000 new registrations. Daily attendance through the app also rose from 1.85 lakh to 2.32 lakh. Currently, 4.78 lakh employees across 42 departments have been brought under the system. The dashboard is being monitored daily by the Chief Minister, Chief Secretary and senior officials.